Hello, follow wankers and jack rabbits out there. Welcome to another video. Put the lotions and tissues down for a second listen. We've got massive news for us of the jerking coalition. The spicy videos we know and love are being banned by several states. We'll get into it. North Carolina, Virginia, ironically, Utah, Arkansas, Montana, Mississippi, and now even Texas is shutting down access to the sweet visual nectar of these prawn videos. And we're not talking shellfish, even though what you do with it is. How are they accomplishing this dastardly deed though? By requiring some form of verification, which is insane to even say out loud considering what kind of site we're talking about here. Come on man, you don't look at another man's private search history. If sensitive information like that got out, this would be worse than the group chat being leaked. Many spicy video websites don't want to comply, so they responded by blocking these states like a toxic ex. This causes a problem for some who have come to know and love the black and orange website. On one hand, these websites don't want the responsibility of handling this sensitive date, and on the other hand, is your schlong. Kidding, it's an attempt to prevent kids from accessing these spicy videos to disrupt their feeble little brains. Where are the parents? Who knows? I guess they can't control their kid. Use a firewall, wire your router, do anything as a parent. Clearly the government doesn't trust these parents with these kids, so they're stepping in like a creepy babysitter. What about us normal folk who like to keep our spicy videos and children completely separate but still want material to beat meat so hard Peter would protest? I introduce to you the magic of a VPN. I've tried a few in my 2 AM searches on page 72 trying to find the right video, and my top picks are NordVPN and ExpressVPN. And because I love you, I'll tell you how to get a huge discount on the VPNs. Just go to vpndiscount.org and that will find the best discount for you right now. Link is also in the pinned comment, but you will be able to save up to 75% on your VPN purchase with that site, so check it out. Here are some instructions on connecting to a VPN server. 1. Purchase a VPN subscription from the links in description. 2. Open the VPN app and find a server outside of your state. 3. For example, if you're in Texas, connect to a server in California. 4. Click connect, and as long as the state you're connecting to allows you to get all the spicy videos you can handle, and then some. You'll want to connect to one of the more liberal states where you can wank it in the peace and safety of your parents' basement. Like California, a VPN is good for more than just getting your rocks off though. It helps protect you online by hiding your IP address. It also gives you access to websites that are location locked, like the Japanese version of Netflix. NordVPN has a bunch of cool features too, like a password manager, data breach scanner, and encrypted cloud storage if you want more protection. Well, that's about it. Protect the kids, but I don't want to live in a world where I can't jack off. Thanks for watching, you sickos, and happy whacking. See you in the next one.